Are the concerns sorted between you and Salman? Would we see a collaboration taking place? Was there any concern if, as such?
मेरे को तो कुछ था भी नहीं यार, मैं तो बंदे की तारीफ की थी. मतलब if you look at or you can tell me where have I said anything wrong about him, right? मैं तो तारीफ की थी. अब वो शो पे बुला के आपने कुछ कंट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट कर दी कुछ बोल के, ठीक है यार, वो मे बी दैट्स व्हाट दे नीडेड फॉर द शो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. I liked the guy before, that's why I had him as a brand ambassador. No love lost as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah, but like any collaboration if in future
नहीं,
would be possible if you would like to.
Yeah, never say never.
Yeah. This is deeply rooted in the Indian society. If we talk about the division of class, it's been happening for years, and I think it will continue so, because that is how we have kind of seen the culture around us. What were your thoughts? Because a concept like this kind of resonates with the audience, the Indian society for that matter, and everyone wants to like kind of build a class, a lifestyle, and they keep on thriving for it. And we also know that how the entire game in the entertainment industry also works. One is the Nepo club, then there is one outsider who's trying to kind of make a big mark, and this continues in different organizations also. What are your thoughts on that?
नहीं, आई थिंक वो हर जगह ही होता है. आप इकोनॉमिक्स भी पढ़ोगे तो हर कंपनी में एक लेबर क्लास होती है, एक मैनेजमेंट होती है, ठीक है. तो मैनेजमेंट का काम है कॉल्स लेना, लेबर का काम है एक्चुअली हार्ड वर्क करना. वो सोसाइटी में भी मिमिक होता है, राइट. सो आई थिंक वो जो इनइक्वालिटी है, आप उसको ब्रश अंडर द कारपेट तो कर देते हो फॉर टीवी, बट नाउ द वर्ल्ड इज बिकमिंग मोर रियल. पीपल वांट टू सी रियल थिंग्स rather than saying कि अरे इसके बारे में बात मत करो ये. सो आई थिंक वो इनइक्वालिटी कुछ इंडिया स्पेसिफिक नहीं हो, हर जगह ही है.
हर जगह है.
आप यूएस भी जाओगे, वहाँ पे भी वर्किंग क्लास है, वहाँ पे भी मैनेजमेंट है, राइट. सो वी आर जस्ट एक्नॉलेजिंग इट एंड ब्रिंगिंग इट ऑन टू द स्क्रीन.
Ashneer, you have been a part of the glamour world, and ever since you have kind of made a mark over here, and with your work, of course, and people have appreciated. But at the same time, there is a downside of the glamour world, which is the nitpicking happens. You kind of become a target of that. The stabbing happens. Probably you also kind of lose on things which you have kind of worked on. How have you dealt with such a situation?
No, of course it happens. There, people, once you become famous, people also like to bring you down, right? In that sense. But ठीक है, that's the cost of being famous. I think you have to learn to factor that in, saying कि अगर ये चाहिए तो उसके साथ ये भी आएगा, ठीक है. Now either you can keep cribbing कि saying मेरे साथ ये क्यों हो रहा है और क्यों हो गया. Because you chose to be famous. Now there is the trappings of it, there is the cost of it, and you have to bear it, right? And I think over time you become more comfortable about it. Initially लगता है कि मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है, but I think over time you also mature and you understand कि नहीं, ये पैकेज है.
And the package is like kind of you agree with it because it also gives. But you are not someone who kind of ran towards fame. That is one thing which I've noticed about you. You were not someone, but you just became popular, on its own.
हाँ, तो अच्छा है ना यार. कई लोग तो भाग रहे फेम के पीछे, वो मिल नहीं रहा. आप उससे दूर भाग रहे हो, आपको मिल रहा है. So yeah, all I can say is I've been lucky in that matter. Yeah.
Talking about reality shows, you have been a part of, like you just went and met Salman on the Bigg Boss show. You have seen Traitors, which features Karan Johar, and then we have seen other reality shows also. How this concept is different from, from the shows which we are seeing right now?
I think Bigg Boss has been around for 18-19 years. It's been sort of a monopoly. And like most monopolies, after a time, anti-incumbency comes in, people saying कि हाँ देख लिया, पता है क्या expect करना है. I think last year Traitors came in. I haven't seen it personally, but I have heard good things about it. I think it's based on a game called Mafia, which is very popular among the Gen Z and the youth. So, and it got a good reception. So clearly there is a market for reality beyond the monopolistic Bigg Boss in some sense. And we are hopeful that we bring in that additional flavor and cater to that market which is looking for something new, right? And that's the whole idea behind the show.